Have you talked to Ash about it?
I attempted to, but he was unavailable last night when I called him.
Okay, well, maybe send him a message and let him know to call you when he wakes up. And
I'm going to be off grid for most of the day.
you're gonna be what?
Off grid for most of the day.
Why?
There's no logical answer to that question. That does not sound concerning.
Try me.
The thing,
You broke up, huh?
I. What?
You broke up a second there. What'd you say?
I performed a spell on myself, which will end in less than 24 hours. But in that time, I am aware that certain people will not be pleased with what I have done.
You did another spell on yourself.
Affirmative. This
What
time
in
with
God's name
caveats.
made you think that was a good idea?
This time it was not brought on by negative emotions. It was the desire to look at Sky from a non-biased perspective. I intend on testing him and Hopper today. And I
Oh,
want to make sure I'm able to look at him in an unbiased light.
okay, and that's it. That's the spell. That's the big thing
No,
that you've. What
my
part was? Go ahead.
the spell was removing my emotions and feelings again.
I see.
After the concern that it caused with Paige and else, I believe it best that I be avoided today.
I can't. I can't with this guy.
This
All right.
time tomorrow, I will belong back to normal.
This is Umbravel all over again. I understand. All right then. Oh my god. I guess let me know what you find out, huh? Just make sure you're keeping Ash in the loop.
A firm. Also, ask that you do not inform Paige or Elsa of my current condition,
I ain't gonna
as
talk
it
shit
cause
about.
them stress.
It's your business. It's not my business. As long as you're talking to Ash and you're letting him know what it is that you're doing, that's the only concern I've got. The rest of everything else is, it's like I said, it's not my business to talk about. But Ash needs to know.
About which part?
Well, the whole goddamn thing you just told me,
Hmm.
including performing another spell on yourself to remove your emotions a second time.
Hmm.
You're gonna tell me about it, but you're not gonna tell him, the leader? Think about that. That might get you in trouble.
Had not fully weighed those options.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh my god. I love Marky's, but goddamn.
I will inform Ash. Give him the same logic I gave you.
Sounds like a good idea to me. Now, what is your intention? What is it that you're trying to get out of Sky that you need to turn your emotions off and not be biased towards him?
I'm not a fan of him. I'm not
Okay,
sure if that has.
well, I can imagine that that's probably the reason why you turned your feelings off, but what are you trying to get out of him? What information?
I want to figure out if he will be a useful informant.
He is a useful informant. He's already part of the team. Ash has determined that part.
He's been assigned to me. I want to make sure that he's not going to fuck me over. That I'm not going to let his
Yeah, you probably, definitely, most likely, absolutely need to talk to Ash about this, because this one might, yeah. I would text him and tell him you need to talk to him when he wakes up.
Pay for him.
Yeah. Good luck, alright?
Appreciated.
Yeah. Bro, what's up, Vision? Welcome in. This guy. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. What's up, Minty? How are you? Welcome in. He does the spell twice. The second time. No way. Okay. Let me click this right here.
You haven't left those pots?
No, but I found another seed, so we now have 2 seeds.
Okay.
I also had a seed in the car at the glove box.
Work was rough today. But we're good now. We're done now, so we don't need to worry about it. We're done now. Anyways. Ugh. Red was acting like Bill Lindbergh, asking for chance reports throughout that entire phone call. Hey, Skeeter. Welcome in. I'm tired today. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like kind of out of it. Oof. Feel like I'm dragging my feet right now. How you doing, Skeeter? How you doing, Dr. Pepper, y'all? In chat, how's everybody else doing? Stop taking the shower. There we go. It's so funny, because imagine that when it was Arthur leading the team. Oh, it was so good. We had a lot of drama. Going on. Gold cropped. Where's just this straight? Oh, the hair's in the way. Where's just the straight black one? Can't see through the hair. I'm good, Skeeter. Just chilling at work. Nice. He has a special name that isn't accurate. Yeah. I think that's the one. It's just this one right here. I think that works. I'll just do this today. Throw a little bit of white in there. Okay, we have to get our bike fixed. That has got to be what we do now before things get crazy, because things are gonna get crazy and we're not gonna be able to do it. Go get our bike fixed. And down in the AC, just chilling and listening to the rain and thunder. Oh, God, I wish we were having rain and thunder right now. Oh. You were bugging him with the Titanic song? Hey. Oh. There's still more. God, there's still more. Hold on. I did mention that this one is...